Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mousse dessert. First, you'll need to prepare your ingredients. This typically involves melting your chocolate or preparing a fruit puree and separating egg yolks and whites. Having everything ready before you start mixing ensures a smooth process. Remember, precise measurements are key for a perfect mousse texture, so take your time with each step. Next, we'll create the rich base. If using chocolate, melt it slowly to prevent burning. For a fruit mousse, gently cook down your fruit puree. Then, whisk egg yolks with sugar until they are pale and creamy, forming a stable foundation. Carefully fold in your chosen flavorings, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Now for the signature airy texture. Whip your heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it. Then, very gently fold this whipped cream into your prepared base. The key here is to maintain as much air as possible. If you're using a meringue, fold it in with the same light touch for an incredibly delicate result. Finally, the waiting game. Transfer your mousse into serving dishes or ramekins and chill it for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This allows the mousse to set properly and develop its full flavor. When ready to serve, add your favorite garnishes, like fresh fruit or chocolate curls, for a beautiful and delicious dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.